Hi guys, welcome to my channel.
Yeah, today is actually we are going to introduce a wooden toy train. Well, actually this is manufactured by Mentari from Indonesia. You can see that, right?
Yes.
And it said this is a Eurostar. Actually, you know the Eurostar? It's from
Yes.
London to Paris, from Paris to Brussels.
Brussels!
Yeah, you have been to London? No, never.
No.
You have been to Paris?
Yes.
Have you been to Brussels?
No, I don't know. Yes.
Okay, let's try. But last time we don't take this one. We took another one. It's got Taily from
Is it
Paris.
that one?
No, another one. Okay, now we want to open it, right?
Yes.
Well, let's see. This is made in Indonesia.
Wait.
Wow.
I think I heard some plastic shuttering. And
Yeah, this kind of plastic is hard and easily get your hand.
bloody.
Yeah. So kids, if you encounter this kind of plastic, hard plastic, be careful, right?
Because when you make this packaging, it's melting.
Yeah, this is a Eurostar.
Does those plastic melt?
Yes, if you burn it, you melt.
Yeah.
Eurostar.
Eurostar.
Yeah, Eurostar running from London, Paris, and Brussels. It's a okay, this is a wooden toy train, and that's why they put some magnet coupling here, and then you can put a train together. Oh, you see this one? Oh, it's hanging around,
Yeah, it's hanging around.
hanging up over here.
How much wheels does this whole train have?
I don't know.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
You wanna try it?
Maybe 10.
You want to try it out?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I just counted and there was 10.
Yeah.
Keep tuning.
Yeah. Choo choo.
These are much.
On board, and the next station will be London.
Stop the train.
Yeah, that's
The
Paris.
gas is done. So bye guys, see you next time. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and give us big thumbs up. Like us on Facebook and follow us on Instagram. And we want 1 million subscribers, so press the subscribe button and bye!